Hi, I am Tiana Gustafson, creator of the Inspired Mommy Boss movement and this Money Magnet Lady Boss Selling with Souls program. Now, today I wanted to give you a brief overview of what Selling with Soul is all about. And before I share with you, you'll see my screen here, a little bit of behind the scenes of what you're getting with this package. What I wanted to share with you is what you're actually getting. And what you're actually going to get is a strategic, soulful, authentic way of selling your goods and or services. So that when you come to the table, whether that's social media or in person or from your blog or your website and even automated ways to sell, you're going to have aligned yourself with a place of value and giving first. So that's number one, and we're going to dive into that mindset shift just for you. So you don't need to be scared of the word sales or selling anymore. You can actually get excited about it. Now, part of the process of this is teaching you the 5-step sales flow system. And I'm going to go through that with you in this program step by step. This that you see in front of you is printables just for you. So you can have it in front of you. You don't need to guess anymore. It's none of this like woo out there things. We do mindset, but I'm giving you strategies, including how to use calendar systems, my 2 favorite ones, free ones as well as affordable options. Also quizzes and forms and what you should ask people on these forms. And one of the things that took me years to even find someone to teach me was how do you do this sales call? What do you say on a sales call? And I'm giving you the 5 questions you should ask on every sales call. And this is regardless of what you sell. This is a straightforward way to dive into other people's goals and dreams and align it with your niche. So if you're ready to step apart from the crowd, to have scripts and different strategies in place that are proven, as well as aligning yourself again with your authentic value and get excited about sales, all you need to do is purchase now. There's affordable payment options right here. I can't wait to see you on the inside.